Well, I've always been interested in building stuff. I figured EHOVE had just a perfect program for me. It's a new program, but it hits a little bit of everything as far as skill-wise that I want to pursue to work for myself one day. So we do get into depth of like drywalling, plumbing, electrical. So we do touch a little bit of everything to get us to be able to actually work on real projects in the real world. So we're not going to come out a full expert in everything, but it does get our feet wet as far as seeing what our likes and our dislikes are with the program.
Man, I like the fact of learning new ideas and being creative about things I didn't know before. And also the possibility of finding a job and doing something I actually like to do.
The hands-on experience, being able to actually create something out of nothing is actually very enjoyable. Working with different tools, power tools in particular.
So right here, this is our miter saw.
This is a table saw.
The biggest advantage was the fact that it was an adult ed at night. So it would allow me to be able to do whatever I needed to do, take care of work in the morning, other, priorities, but at nighttime still be able to focus on the education and the class aspect at night. It's a very, very good career choice. I mean, there's plenty of jobs out there. It's just a matter of putting the time and effort and learning the skills.
What I enjoy about it is really just giving individuals the tools to make a living.
But it's a great program. It really is. It gives an opportunity to start fresh at life too, no matter what age. You should come to EHOVE because of the opportunities it presents to your future. Your future, your career.